Kapahi tutorials. In this video, I will explain X-linked mode of inheritance. In X-linked mode of inheritance, disease-causing gene or the gene of interest is located on X chromosome. First of all, let me introduce you with the key terms. Squares represents males, while circles represent females. Filled squares as well as filled circles represents affected males and affected females. Now, females have 2 X chromosome. 1 X chromosome is inherited from mother, while the other X chromosome is inherited from father. While males have 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome. X chromosome in males is always inherited from mother. While Y chromosome in males is inherited from father. Always remember that son always inherit its X chromosome from mother, whereas only Y chromosome is inherited from father. Now, the key point of difference between autosomal and sex-linked mode of inheritance is that in sex-linked mode of inheritance, trait is never transmitted from father to son. That is, in X-linked mode of inheritance, you will never see male to male transmission of trait. While in autosomal mode of inheritance, you will see male to male transmission of trait. Now, X-linked dominant mode of inheritance. In X-linked dominant mode of inheritance, disease-causing gene or the gene of interest is located on X chromosome. Since the expression of the trait is dominant in nature, so the single copy of the gene is enough to cause the disease phenotype. In X-linked dominant mode of inheritance, both males and females are affected, but more females are affected. This is due to the fact that the males die in utero. This condition is lethal in males in utero. In X-linked dominant mode of inheritance, there is no skipping of generation. You will find affected individuals in every generation. Now, the most important feature of X-linked dominant mode of inheritance is that affected father will pass the trait on to all the daughters. That is, all the daughters of an affected father will be affected. That is, you will see father to daughter transmission. Like in this case, father is affected. Both his daughters are affected, but son is unaffected. Father is having one dominant disease-causing gene on the X chromosome. Son is unaffected because son always inherits its X chromosome from his mother. Mother in this case is unaffected. So, son is also unaffected. Daughters inherited one normal X allele from the mother and one X chromosome with a dominant disease-causing allele from the father. Since the expression of the trait is dominant in nature, so both the daughters are affected. This is a pedigree showing X-linked dominant mode of inheritance. In this pedigree, we find that more females than males are affected. In this pedigree, we find that only 2 males are affected while 4 females are affected. There is no skipping of generation. We are able to find affected individuals in every generation. That is, there is no skipping of generation. Now, the most important feature we find here is that affected father is having all his daughters affected. Like, father is affected in first generation, both his daughters are affected. Father is affected in third generation, both his daughters are affected. Now, let us assign the genotypes. Unaffected females will have 2 normal X chromosomes, while males will have 1 normal X and Y chromosome. While affected females will have either 1 X chromosome or both the X chromosome with the dominant disease-causing gene. Since the males have a single X chromosome, so the single copy of the gene on the X chromosome is enough to cause the disease phenotype. In this case, father is affected having 1 dominant disease-causing gene on the X chromosome. Both his daughters are affected because they inherited 1 normal X chromosome from the mother and 1 X chromosome with a disease allele from the father. Son is unaffected because son inherited its X chromosome from the mother. In this case, mother is unaffected, so son is unaffected. Now, this affected females marries normal man. Now, one of the son is affected while other is unaffected. This is due to the fact the affected son is having 1 dominant disease allele from the mother. So, this son is affected while this son inherited 1 normal allele from the mother. So, this son is unaffected. Both his daughters are unaffected because daughter inherited normal X chromosome from the father and other normal X chromosome from the mother. In this case, affected father marries normal female. Both his daughters are affected. This is due to the fact the daughters inherited one normal X chromosome from the mother, while other X chromosome with the disease allele from the father. So, single copy of the gene is enough to cause the disease phenotype. Both the daughters are affected, while both the sons are unaffected because they inherited the X chromosome from the mother. Mother in this case is unaffected, so both the sons are unaffected. This is a typical feature of X-linked dominant mode of inheritance, that father is affected and all his daughters are affected. Thanks for watching and keep learning.